Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today I am going to teach you subject English, standard 11th, and the book which I am going to use is a snapshot textbook, chapter number 5, Mother's Day, which is written by J.B. Priestley. So, Mother's Day summary. Mother's Day is a play by J.B. Priestley. It is a satirical and humorous deception of a status of the women, in particular a housewife in a family. Moreover, a housewife dedicates all her time in the service of her family, but her family takes her service for granted and never take notice of her needs. The family never acknowledge her service or thank her for all that she does for them. Everyone neglects her, and this issue is prominent and relevant today. Many houses out there sulk and suffer in silence. Also, the issue the play raises is genuine. The issue can't be set by mere changes of the personality, mere changes by personality of husbands, son, and daughter in order to give wives the praise they deserve. The family needs to give them the desired attention. Okay, now I will tell you details about this chapter. The chapter portrays the practical experience of a mother, Mrs. Person. Mrs. Parson. Parson, on a daily basis, her kids disrespect and disregard her. In her own home, she was treated as a slave. Thus, she felt a lot of ignorance and embarrassment every day, not only from her daughter Doris and son Cyril, but also from her husband George Parson, who has completely turned a blind eye from his wife. Mrs. Parson life turns when she meets Fitzgerald, Mrs. Fitzgerald, a fortune teller, and discusses her family members and their terrible behavior. She tells Mrs. Fitzgerald everything about her family behavior. Moreover, Mrs. Fitzgerald, strong and sinister personality, recommends her to exchange personality, so as to teach her family a good lesson. At first, Mrs. Parson did not agree, but after some encouragement, she agrees to switch bodies. So, what is the meaning of all this thing? Here, these two ladies are trying to switch their body. Switch their body मतलब कि तू मेरी जगह पे आ जा, मैं तेरी जगह पे आ जाऊँ. मतलब दोनों की बॉडी सेम रहेगी, आत्मा चेंज हो जाएगी. यानी कि जो फॉर्चून टेलर जो मिस फिजरल्ड है, उनकी बॉडी इसके में आ जाना और इसकी बॉडी उसके में आ जाना. आफ्टर दैट Mrs. Fitzgerald casts a spell and swaps her personality with Mrs. Parson. In a matter of seconds, their personalities switch, and Mrs. Parson, who was claimed as a composed, is now smoking and drinking, and Mrs. Fitzgerald is now sitting idle. The scene changes, and now Mrs. Parson is in her home and Doris enters home. She hands her a dress and asks her to iron as she has to go on a date with her boyfriend, Charlie Spence. Also, she even objects her mother smoking, and when she asks her, Mrs. Parsons replies very harshly and advises her to do her work herself. Further, she makes fun of her boyfriend. Afterwards, Doris feels miserable and shamed and starts crying when her mother insults and rebuke her. After his after this, his son Serial enter. The first part what happened when Doris enter, then she throws a dress and tells her mother to iron it, but she don't do all these things. Now in the second part, her son enters. Serial, Cyril. Serial enters as ask his mother hurriedly if his tea is ready, on which Mrs. Parson refuses and advises him to prepare it himself. After seeing her mother's reaction and her sister crying, he raises his voice, also called Mrs. Fitzgerald as an old hag, and which Mrs. Parson instructs him to mind his language. When the kids talk about being worn out after work, she makes it very clear to both of them that they all will work equally from that day onwards, and she will not work at weekends and enjoy with her friends. At that point, Mr. Parson enter the house and express his surprise on seeing her wife drinking and smoking. He objects. Mrs. Parson makes him realize that if he can drink, then she can too. Further, he tells him that instead of spending his time with her wife, he is spending time with people who are making fun of him behind his back. Mrs. Parsons, on seeing her family insult, asks Mrs. Fitzgerald to stop all this. However, she does not let her speak until she teaches all of them a good lesson and respecting and honoring their mother. Soon after, they switch personality again, and after that, the son, daughter, and husband learn their lesson and start supporting their mother and wife. So, at last, what happened? She teaches them a lesson very nicely, and afterwards, she switches her body. And afterwards, what happened? All the family members start respecting her mother. Though the Mother's Day summary, the writer wants to say that we all should respect, care, and help our mother for all the hardship she does for us. Thank you so much. This was the explanation of this chapter.